Happy Saturday, everybody. I just wanted to make a quick video about the new beta shapes update in the Glowforge UI. You'll find these underneath the little shapes area, and for the insert star and the insert polygon are the two we're talking about. So let's go ahead and take a look at the star one. And in here you can see we added a star, and you can change the number of points, the sharpness, and the distance on the corners. So we could add a 7-point star. Change the sharpness kind of is how long the points are. And then the rounded corners, let's say, do a 1/4 inch. Kind of rounds over the corners. Now the polygon kind of works very similar. Let's go ahead and delete this one. Add a polygon back in. This one has a number of points again, so we can, make a octagon and say 0.125. Round the corners over a little bit. That's really all there is to it. It should give you a little more options for when you're using the Glowforge UI to make some simple cuts or simple shapes. So let's say we were making a lapel pin or something that was the shape of an octagon, a stop sign or some sort of sign like that. This would be really easy to use the Glowforge UI along with the text tool to be able to cut out and engrave something quick and make a new lapel pin. So that's it for today. Just something real quick in case you didn't notice that was added. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.